afternoon. Welcome back to another video. Today I have chicken with vegetables, asparagus, carrots, zucchini, and then I just have some sun-kissed 0-calorie orange. So yes, and this is the you get this at Lucky's, and this everything is already in the bag. It's in the bag, and you just put it in the oven for like 30 minutes in the bag, and it's done. So it's, I don't think it's pre-cooked. It might be pre-cooked already. It'll be looking a little raw when you get it, so I guess, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm having. So how's everybody doing? I wasn't able to do a video yesterday. I was out. I'm good. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. I forgot. How about this thumbnail? Okay. So, well, yesterday I went to, well, we went to two Costco's. The first Costco, the line was way around the corner. I mean, way around the corner. I was like, we can't do this. So we went to the one on Hickey. It was better. But then we get there, and they talking about only two people, two people. And so the baby was with us, so he counted as a person. So I was like, well, I'm gonna just slide my card back to you. But then I seen this man by himself, and I was like, can I go in with you? And he was like, okay. But then the lady behind us said, oh, you can go in with me. And I said, okay. So I gave her out of my car. They wasn't even tripping like that. It's the people that's conducting the line that's tripping. And then I normally get my bacon from Costco. I like that Kirkland bacon. I ain't had it. Now, I don't even know why they're doing two people to a customer. So they ain't letting two people come out and then two people come in. They just letting two people come in, and that's it. I don't know. Well, hopefully I ain't got to go back to Costco. I ain't trying to stand in all them lines like that. That's too much. I know we need to be in the house. It seems like I gotta go out more than if I wasn't on curfew. I mean, on quarantine. It's like I gotta go get something every day. I got plenty of meat, plenty things to drink, but there's always something seems like I need. This morning, I had to run the big line. I got up at, I think it was 9 o'clock. Put them clothes I had on yesterday, because I put some in the bag. I put them in the clothes. And then when I go walk my dog, I put them back on. And, because I only have them on for a minute, because I'm not going to wear the clothes that I go outside in around my house. So I take them off and I put them in the dirty clothes, which ain't got nothing in it, or I put it in the bag. Then I put them pants back on to go walk the dog or go if I have to run to the stove. Because ain't no sense of putting on no clean pants and you go out there, you still got to take them off because they said corona might be on it. Yeah. So I went to Big Rock. I was talking about 2 people in there. And I got everything I needed. I needed some nasal spray. and some bathroom hand soap. So I bought 4 of them. Some Kleenex for my bed. I like to have Kleenex on the side of my nightstand. Um, so I'm sorry about that. My camera cut off. I gotta get me some more memory cards or something. I don't know. I was trying to order up everything, try to get myself ready. But anyway, yeah. So, I forgot what I was gonna say. And they got these shrimp. They got fish, salmon. They got shrimp. They got chicken thighs. I like the chicken thighs, but I guess other people did too because they didn't have that. And then they have, this is the breast. A flat piece of breast. But you know what? It's juicy. I was cooking up. I'm joking. Oh yeah. So what are people gonna do for Easter? I know we can't do nothing. We have to stay in the house. I think I'm gonna do me some barbecue ribs in the oven. I got the baby candy yesterday. Let's make a platter with put some grass. I got some grass in there from last year. And some baskets I think from last year. And just make them well, he really don't need no basket because he really. I'm just gonna make the platter. And I bought some. Ben bought the dye for the eggs, and then I got dye in the cabinet for eggs. But I bought the stuff come in the box. Easter egg dye. I bought that a couple of months ago before Easter. They had it at the dye store, and I was like, let me get this. Girl, if he hears some water running, then he come with a chair. He wants to play in water. Water, water, water. He can be in here he can be in here watching TV, dead into the TV. You let some water run. Here he comes. Can't even wash dishes till he goes to sleep. Good thing he's still taking nap. Some of this season they got on here a little bit of spicy. What is it called? Adobo. I thought I should make some chicken adobo. But I want to make that taco soup that Beloved made today, I guess. But then we just have ground meat. It'll be something different. It'll be something different.
Running out of food ideas.
I know, and want to eat the same thing, so any kind of suggestions, or looking at videos, anything is good. Because we used to go out eating. We cook sometimes. The majority of our time we'd be out eating. Excuse me. Oh, that's weird. You know how you got a sneeze coming, but it ain't got there yet, but you can feel it. Maybe it went another way. So they said on the news that a lot of black people was catching the corona. We hear a lot of men because of their health issues. A lot of them don't go to the doctor. So they need to stay in the house. Shit, we all need to stay in the house. I need to stay in the house too. I ain't going nowhere today. Nowhere. Well, I don't gotta walk him later on. But that's just up the street. Ooh. And you know what I've been doing? I've been boiling me some carrots. Them little baby fat carrots. I boil them with just a little bit of butter and some water so they can just get a little soft. I just been eating them like that. Instead of running to get chips and stuff, you know, we gotta still watch our weight. And I'm looking like I'm getting too big over here. But my stomach is coming back. I gotta get rid of this. But I think I might have to start doing some sit-ups. I used to do sit-ups in the house. Put my foot up under the couch and do my sit-up. That's what I try to do over here. Oh, excuse me. They got these little peas in them. Yeah. And the burst out when you chew them. I'm going to dry the carrots. Oh. Okay, this looks like a piece of fish or something. But it's chicken. But it's tender. Not all. It looks shriveled up, but it's juicy. And you know what I'm missing? I'm missing my ranch. Man, it's almost gone now. I didn't go to sleep. Let me tell you, last night I fell asleep about, might have been like 10 something, 11 o'clock, 10 something, huh? I fell asleep about 10 something. I woke up because I was real hot and I had to go to the restroom. I got back in that bed and I watched TV till almost 3 in the morning. I'm telling you, it went by fast. I looked at that clock, I was like, oh no, let me go to sleep like I got somewhere to go in the morning. I can just keep on watching TV all night. But I knew I wanted to go to Big Lots, get some stuff. Excuse me for a minute. I knew I wanted to go to Big Lots and get some stuff. So I wanted to be like the first one there. Oh, excuse me. I wanted to be the first one there. But I wasn't the first one there, but all that second and third one there, When I got there, wasn't nobody in the store. There was a man over there. He was counting how many, it said you can have, it said 10 for 10 the soap, the bathroom soap. But at the top it said I'm going to take 2. I mean, just like 10 for 10, I'm getting different kinds. It was only like 5 different varieties. But you know, I got 4 of them. And I guess he got his 10. Well, I still got 10 too. I don't know what happened to take this stuff wrong. But that's how that. And you know, because when you run out of stuff now, since you're on quarantine, and then you get low, I was getting low on the bathroom soap. You can wash your hands with. And that kind of worries me. Well, I'm glad I got it. And you can't order nothing from Walmart or nothing because it takes too long. My sister ordered a bundle of stuff. She get one package every day. So today I'm just gonna stay home, figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. Just do that. I know I probably need to clean the doorknobs. I started doing that last night. At 2 o'clock in the morning, I was up making me some tea and watching TV. So while the water was boiling, I took that Lysol spray, and I put it on the towel, and I was just wiping the cabinets, wiping the handles. Yep. Now I'm just saying, if we have to go to work, we'd be talking about, I had to wait till the weekend time. Now we got all this free time. Somebody told me today that the churches is going to be having Easter. You got to log on your cell phone or on your tablet. So I think that's what I'm going to do for Easter Sunday. I'm going to be sitting in church in my living room, dressed up, me and my grandbaby, getting the word, listening to the word. So y'all should do it too, if that's what y'all like to do. Well, I didn't eat everything I'm going to eat. These carrots, I don't care for these kind. Let me see. Oh, shoot. I got to get that one up. Oh, no, not the ones I'll be making. Girl, they look like they done cut them up like hot dogs. Ain't even good. Ain't sweet or nothing. You want that pretty? Have to share with your animals. Let them know you love them. That's how they know you love them, because you give them something to eat. You got a bowl full of food over there. You better go eat that food. That dog food is not cheap. Oh, wow. So, I'm going to sign off now. Don't forget to like, share this video with each and every one. Until next time, bye. Stay safe and God bless.